Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. TransUnion, a deep dive into credit reporting. TransUnion, found at www.transunion.com, is one of the three major credit reporting agencies in the United States, alongside Equifax and Experian. These agencies play a crucial role in the financial lives of Americans, collecting and compiling data that forms your credit report. This report is then used by lenders to assess your creditworthiness when you apply for loans, credit cards, mortgages, and even things like apartment rentals. It provides a comprehensive picture of your credit history, influencing the interest rates you're offered and whether or not you're approved. Understanding your TransUnion credit report is vital for managing your finances effectively. The report contains detailed information about your credit accounts, including payment history, outstanding balances, and credit utilization. It also includes public records such as bankruptcies or tax liens, which can significantly impact your credit score. TransUnion offers various services to help consumers access and understand their credit reports, including free weekly reports available through their website. Taking advantage of these services empowers you to monitor your credit health and identify any potential inaccuracies or fraudulent activities. Beyond simply providing credit reports, TransUnion offers a suite of tools and resources to help consumers improve and protect their credit. These include credit monitoring services, identity theft protection, and educational resources on building credit. By understanding how TransUnion works and utilizing the services they provide, you can take control of your credit and make informed financial decisions. Regularly checking your report allows you to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and ensure the information being reported is accurate and reflects your financial behavior. Staying proactive with your credit management can pave the way for a healthier financial future. Don't hesitate to explore the resources available on the TransUnion website to further enhance your understanding of credit and take advantage of the tools they offer.